Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving access and creating resources fast. First, log into Azure CLI and pick the subscription you want to use. Once done, create or reuse a resource group and run the Azure Key Vault create command to provision a vault. Make sure to choose the access control model now. Access policies are straightforward. Azure RBAC scales better for many identities. Set the location and pricing tier and enable soft delete so you have a safety net. Next, populate the vault with what your applications need. You can add secrets with Azure Key Vault secret set, generate keys for signing, or import certificates for TLS. Carefully define expiration and key operations so usage is limited to intended actions. Then, assign a managed identity to your VM or app service and grant it only the permissions required. This avoids client secrets. Finally, integrate with your app using the Azure SDK or environment-backed token authentication for secure, seamless retrieval. To finish, lock down lifecycle and observability settings. Enable soft delete and purge protection, and keep access policies or RBAC rules consistent across environments. Turn on diagnostic logs to Azure Monitor and create alerts for failed access or unusual patterns so you detect issues quickly. Backup critical keys and secrets and verify restores in a non-production slot. If something breaks, check Azure AD permissions and diagnostic logs first. Most failures come from misassigned identities or missing key permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.